Don't tell my husband, but this is the 5th bottle that I've gotten for my scalp. This is not breakage, okay? This is new hair right here. I was not blessed with the best hair or anything like that. I started doing is trying a whole bunch of different things so you didn't have to. I've been using the Divi Scalp Serum for over 12 months already, and it has made the biggest difference in my hair game. This bottle lasts me about 3 to 4 months. I use it every single day. It does not leave my scalp oil. I was actually taking care of my actual hair, but I realized that I need to start working inwards, going out. Started drinking a lot more water, using this scalp serum for my actual scalp health. Let me just show you guys. This is not breakage, okay? This is new hair right here. Do you see this? And this is all over my head. Put it in your TikTok shop. You're not gonna regret it, guys.